I was trying to. Ah! It just like spit at me like cheese and rice. Why is it that I always get squirted?
It's on here.
On my boob?
Right here. Huh? Right here.
I'm coming.
Right here? No, over there.
I always get squirted on. So, okay, well, let me do provecho real quick. So, Carbang go. Backwards. That's the best way to read it. Hi, this is Claudia. Welcome back to my channel. Doing a carbang. It's Wednesday, hump day, the 30th. One more day for Christmas Eve. So me and the kids were out. I was getting my hat replaced because it was too big, but actually they fixed it for me, so it was all good. But we're gonna do, I'm doing Chick-fil-A. I have Diva here and I have my son back here. We're doing Chick-fil-A, and my son's over like, just do a carbang, Mom. I said, okay. So this is my, it's just the deluxe one. Not the spicy one. You got the spicy one, right?
Yeah.
So, and then I got some, of course, some fries. Mama loves fries. And then we have dips here. Diva's got nuggets. Oh, we also got a cookie. I was trying to. Ah! It just like spit at me like cheese and rice. Why is it that I always get squirted?
It's on here.
On my boob?
Right here. Huh? Right here.
I'm coming.
Right here? No, over there.
I always get squirted on. So, okay, well, let me do provecho real quick. Look at that cheese, how it's melted. Yum. Provecho. I'm going to pick this up because I don't want to drip. Here we go. Let's go. I got some lemonade. Oh. Actually, they gave me Sprite, but my son swapped with me. So I hope everyone has a safe New Year's Eve.
It's hot.
Is it? Oh! Got a nugget. Oh yeah. It's hot.
I told you.
Oh yeah. No shooting guns, please. What goes up must come down. That can cost somebody's life. If you're in the rancho, I don't care, but now, here, yeah. I burped. Stay tuned. This coming year, there's gonna be. Start sharing me out, people. I'm gonna be doing giveaways. Some on this channel, some on my clothing channel. They're nice and salty, right? So stay tuned for that. Mm. Majority of the stuff is makeup though, but I would have to figure out something for a man, right? Maybe just a gift card. Oh wait, did they give us mail?
I don't.
Did they give us mail, model, or no? I forgot about the mail. Oh, thank you. Oh, did you open it?
No.
It's open. It's open. I don't know if it was somebody used it or I'm just gonna throw it away. Sorry, my mail was open. They only gave me one packet and it was open. So, yeah. So there's gonna be some giveaways coming. I'm gonna try to put them on both channels. See how that goes. And if I like it and it goes good, then maybe I'll start doing that once a month. So if you're not following my other channels, go follow them. Please. I don't know if you're gonna hear me that good because I forgot my mic. So probably the people are sitting there watching us, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're probably saying, "Pinche vieja loca."
No, but like the windows are tinted.
Diva didn't want to be in the video because she wasn't wearing makeup. I created that. I'm gonna say thank you to my niece Samantha because she gave us a gift card for Subway, Chick-fil-A, and this is our meal, so it was like she sponsored it. So thank you, Sammy. There's my hat back there if y'all can see it. And then look, cleaned it up and stuff. But what happened, she says that us girls, our heads are different, she said. So my size that they got was a little too big, but the one below it was a little too tight, right?
Mm.
So what she did, she put like a little sponge in front of here and a little sponge in front of there so that it can fit, and it did actually look better on me. She was very nice, right?
Mm-hmm.
She offered to clean it. And I'm like, sure. I haven't done a Carbang since In and Out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all see a mess back there. Sorry. We will. I think everybody's getting their stimulus already because the banks are packed. Restaurants are packed. Check your bank accounts. I know, not me. Everywhere it's packed. I would understand the grocery stores or the carnicerias for the tomorrow, but no, the eating out places are packed. So they opened Jollibee. I'm gonna wait a little bit before I make that video. When they first opened it, the wait was 3 hours. That's how long the line was. It was so packed. People were, they were interviewing people and they said it was about 3 hour wait, but it was worth it. So I have to try it. But I want to try like a little bit of everything, right? Because we've never tried it. Mmm. Wow. Excuse my pinky, it's always up, I don't know why. Do y'all like to dip your fries in the Chick-fil-A sauce? I do. Polynesian sauce too. And I have crumbs all over, look at that. My lipstick. Where I bite the bread and I put it down. Like I said, be safe. No drinking and driving. If possible, just stay home. Try to avoid big crowds. So I'm sure the what is it called? The New York Times Square thing, it's not gonna happen then, right? Times Square in the New York when they dropped the ball. It's packed. I don't think so.
Probably not.
It's not gonna happen, I don't think. I know I'm gonna be there 1 year on New Year's. I want to. I really do.
No.
I like it. I had never tried the regular sandwich with everything on it. It's good. It's really good. Let me know what y'all are gonna eat for New Year's Eve. I will be dropping a video New Year's Day. But it's what I ate for New Year's Eve. I got a burp. Excuse me. That's the one thing I do like about Chick-fil-A, that they're fast, right? They're really fast. But I think that places like Chick-fil-A and Cane's and that, they're fast because it's only like chicken. You know what I mean? So it's not like, oh, drop me this because now they want this. Now they're just continuously dropping and dropping the same thing. At least that's my opinion. So San Antonio is expecting thunderstorms tomorrow. I don't know how true that is. So, oh, and hail in some of the country. It's supposed to be getting sleet. Some of the country is gonna get sleet.
Really?
That's what they're saying. Like I said, I don't know how true that is, but. I'm trying to eat the bus. Oh, I bought her nuggets, but then I also got the manager at this one on my box. She always sends, not me, but like everybody, like free little rewards. And I also had an 8-piece of this nuggets. I only have tomorrow. I have a free breakfast ones too. I don't know if I'll be able to get those because they're expired tomorrow. But anyway, I got crumbs all over, sorry. Anyway, this was Chick-fil-A. This was good. I'm done with my sandwich. Gotta go home. We gotta go clean, get ready for tomorrow, go do my last minute shopping at the store because I forgot a couple of things. Isn't that crazy? We always forget shit. But anyway, I will see y'all on Christmas. I won't see y'all, but I will have a video for y'all New Year's Day, but not before that, well, this is the one before that. So please have a blessed New Year's Eve. Please stay safe. Please, please, please don't shoot any guns. What goes up must come down. I send lots of blessings to everybody, and please stay safe. If you don't have to go out, don't go out. Until next time, this is Claudia C. I love each and every one of y'all. Thank you. Bye.